was just in the building. They went to see what they were doing. I took the train, got out underneath. The smoke was in the train station.
As I said before, the situation is emergency time down there at the World Trade Center. You can see smoke filling the fire going on. You know, one of the things about these tall skyscrapers is the ability to fight fires in these big buildings. The fire departments all across the country and around the world.
Suddenly, on the left side of my viewfinder, I saw something coming from behind the building. Suddenly, on the left side of my viewfinder, I saw something coming from behind the building.
Underground!